Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the audio source and WhatsApp permissions. Allow microphone and media access so the app can capture sound. Once done, pick whether you'll play music from a streaming app, a local file, or a second device. Each affects clarity. Make sure your phone volume and status camera orientation are set. Now open WhatsApp, go to Status, tap the camera icon, and choose Video. This first actionable step captures both your visuals and the music simultaneously. Now focus on capture quality and execution. You should position the speaker close, about 1 to 2 feet, or plug in a wired headset mic to minimize echo and improve clarity. Make sure noisy appliances are off and switch to airplane mode to avoid interruptions, while keeping Wi-Fi on for streaming if needed. Record a short test clip and preview sound. Adjust playback volume and phone mic placement until the balance between voice and music is right. Then record the full status confidently. Finish by editing and posting your status. In WhatsApp's editor, trim the clip, add stickers or text, and if your version supports it, layer a music track directly. This changes how audio mixes. Make sure to post. WhatsApp will auto-mute copyrighted tracks for some users, so pick royalty-free music or a local file if that happens. If audio is too low after posting, re-record with higher source volume or an external mic in a quieter room. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.